And away we go for part 2 of Local 6 Legal Line, answering personal injury questions with attorney Kevin Shannon from the Bryant Law Center, Paducah and Louisville. We have someone who says, I was injured in a car accident and the insurance company wants me to use their doctors, but I'm just not getting the best care. Do I have to use their doctors or can I use my own?
Dave, the answer to that question is the insurance company does not have the right to direct who the injured person uses as their doctor. So they have no obligation to do what the insurance company does. If they're not satisfied, they need to stop that and go to their own family doctor and let the family doctor take over the care.
Next question comes from a parent who says, our son had a concussion from a really bad hit in a football game. We're still having problems with him having blurred vision and headaches after 6 months. They don't want to sue the school, but it seems like somebody should be helping with their medical bills. What can they do at this point?
Well, I tell you, I'm sorry to hear that. That's a really tough spot to be in. You know, even if you did want to sue the school, you'd probably have a very hard time doing that. Won't get into all of the reasons why, but there would be several legal hurdles to try to get over for that. You know, unless you had some insurance coverage that covered your child while playing a particular sport that was offered through the school system, which may very well be, then you're probably going to have to turn it into your regular health insurance, or if you have a medical card, turn it into the medical card. So if I were in your shoes, the first thing I would do would be to check with the school to see whether there was any insurance coverage offered through the school that you might not already be aware of. And if not, then immediately turn to your own health insurance.
Got just a few seconds left here on Legal Line, and someone says, I got a small settlement in a car wreck to cover medical bills and lost wages, but my tax guy says I got to pay taxes on that. My attorney says I don't. Who's right?
Well, I don't want to get into it with a tax person, but it's my belief and understanding that the current IRS regulations say that money received on account of personal injury is not taxable. So I don't think it's reported or taxable, but you know, I guess if you're not satisfied with the opinion from your tax person, maybe get a second opinion from a tax person. I don't personally do taxes, so I'll leave it at that.
But he does pay them. I'm sure he does.
I do pay my own taxes.
As we all do. So we thank Kevin Shannon and Mark Bryant for their expertise in today's Local 6 editions of Local 6 Legal Line. And if you would like to review either one of these segments, we can do so shortly. We'll post them online at WPSDLocal6.com. More Midday coming up.